we got all the supplies we're gonna need.
Water!
We go! Find the slip.
The beginning.
Classic river view. Now we're ready.
2 frames and then back down. Frames joined together. When it is right side.
Pete,
Howdy.
it's gonna be good to slide down that slick with you.
I reckon.
We're gonna
Real
slip
good.
on that slider.
It's long and slip, and we're gonna slip on it all the way.
It's already sliding, we might as well slip.
We got these yellow slicks here. We're gonna slip on down on the slide.
We're gonna slide on that slippy slider slick.
Howdy! Welcome to the Grand Canyon. Ew. Why did I come here?
Bumps around.
Exactly.
Oh, the crew got pulled over already. Hawk was speeding. Just gotta show our IDs to the ranger. That way they know who's in the canyon, and then ship off.
We're shipping off. We have had ringtail cats, those and bats, and probably other critters test positive for rabies down in the canyon. They're happy enough to let you do that.
So we just got our safety speech.
Yeah, it's time to go. Let's get out of here.
We are pushing off. A lot of preparation goes into this. It's that smooth feeling of silky, slippery water.
Oh, yeah!
Whoop, whoop. Downhill from here. See you later, Lees Ferry. We won't be off this river for 3 weeks.
Oh, you know, I feel pretty good about it. I feel just like John Wesley Powell's group.
How do you feel, Scotty, after a year of preparation?
Excited, we got a killer boat, killer crew, and we're off.
Push off! What's happening? You gotta drink 5 more today. Shh. Let me ask Pete a question real quick. After nearly 3 or 4 hours of preparation, how do you feel about finally pushing off?
What are we doing again?